Whether it's Clubhouse or it's Twitter Spaces, there's no question that audio drop-ins, that whole vertical, that whole feature within a social media platform is taking off, and for good reason. It's a very interesting space. For many moons, we've thought that we have to always be present, showing our face, showing our body, talking on a video camera to communicate one-to-one. But audio drop-in gave us something different, and I think that there's something about it that is going to continue to take off for years to come. Radio was very popular for many, many years, for a good reason. The same way that podcasts have taken off, in the same way that podcasts have become a great part of culture and people have been able to extract a lot of value out of that, you're going to see a lot of value come out of these audio drop-in features across Snapchat, across Twitter, across Facebook, and even potentially even LinkedIn. So yes, I am very long on the belief that audio drop-in shows and that whole niche in general is going to take off. It's a channel to keep an eye on for sure.